Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm back here today with a root touch-up. I don't think I've ever let my roots go this bad. I had a lot of warmth, I had a lot of gray coming in, and we're going on a trip, and it's definitely time for me to touch up these roots. And if you've been on my channel for a while, you know my love for ESalon. ESalon is an online custom color service where you get colors shipped to your door that has been professionally selected for you by a colorist, and I've been working with ESalon close to 10 years now. I have visited their facility where they blend and customize your color. Each product is made, customized, and blended for you. So it's not just, oh, you need a 7N and they grab something from the shelf. So you're getting salon quality color, freshly blended and matched for you, delivered to your door at nearly the price of box color. Yet this is salon quality ingredients that are going to be good and nourishing for your hair and give you beautiful, long-lasting color. As you know, I've been doing virtual consults now for over 3 years, and anytime that I would see a client that had been using ESalon color, the integrity of their hair was always something that really stood out. And I personally have been using it to touch up my roots for years as well. So it's a testament to the good quality ingredients that are in the products. I always say, is one-time use of box color going to be detrimental to your hair? No. But if it's something that you're going to be doing long-term, such as like a root touch-up, and you're going to be continuously coloring your hair at home, you do want it to be salon quality color and ingredients. And so if you can get that for an affordable price and expertly matched, why wouldn't you? So this is the ESalon Color Kit, and it comes with everything you need. And so custom color is ESalon's base of their company. But more recently, they also have personalized color kits. So this is off the shelf, ready to go. You see that color. They have a beautiful large swatch of the color that you're getting. I've said a million times on my channel, one of the reasons why that box color is either not good for your hair or you don't get the results you want is because people assume that the color that is here is what you get. Because ESalon isn't used to working with clients coloring their hair at home, they're much more experts in that area, and they have your back if you do have any questions. So of course they're going to want your results to really be exactly what you want. But as you can see, this is a beautiful color kit, nothing like you would get in a drugstore. And again, it comes with everything that you need. So your color, your developer, gloves, color remover, basically everything to turn your at-home color service as luxurious and as seamless as possible. So whether this is your first time ever coloring your hair, you don't know where to start, you don't know what color or level to get, that's where you would get the personalized color. Or you've been coloring your hair for years, you know exactly the color you want, and you want to just select from their beautiful array of colors, you get this beautiful color kit here. And all the color is formulated with ingredients that are going to help lock the color in, and it's fortified with keratin, which is going to make your hair feel and look stronger the more you use the color. This is custom color at its finest. So I'm going to be using the personalized color kit, which I had ESalon customize for me. And it's going to be a blend of a level 7. So I'm going to be showing you how I apply that. So let's get into the tutorial. All right, so as you can see here, I've got lots of roots, and I always like to start parting the hair in quadrants. So first down the middle, splitting the hair onto the left and right side of the head, and then splitting those two sections in half. So around the back of the ear is a good place to section that off. I personally like to start in the back just to ensure proper saturation in the back and giving that hair in the back a little bit more time to process, because the hair in the back of our head tends to be a little bit more resistant. So I always like to color the outside perimeter of each section first, and then creating horizontal sections and painting just the roots of that section. So we've got both sections in the back completely covered, we're ready to move on to those front sections. Once again, painting the perimeter of those sections and then creating cross lines and painting the first ½ inch to an inch of roots down from the scalp. Now, of course, if you're working on virgin hair and you're looking to color and change your entire hair from root to ends, Of course, you would apply the color first at the roots and then through the ends. So obviously I've been doing this on myself for a very long time, so I can basically do this without a mirror and basically with my eyes closed. But if this is your first time having a mirror where you can see the back of your head, it's super helpful. But I promise you that the sectioning is about 75% of the work done for you. And once you have each perimeter of each section colored off, it is nearly impossible to miss a section. Applied all color, it's nice to go back and just check each section, make sure that you do have an even saturation. And I'm just going to process for 35 minutes and then shampoo, condition, and style as usual. So here are my final results. Always great color coverage with a ton of shine and good quality ingredients that are only going to enrich and help your hair. So if you've been in this rut of coloring your hair at home and not getting results that you really love and are looking for good salon quality color at home, I will leave the link to check that out in the description box and order your first box of color today. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.